Assalamu alaikum dear students. As you already know, we have studied the three sources of drugs in the previous video. Now we will continue those sources of drugs. Fourth source of drug is drugs from minerals. Question number 1 on this page is how drugs from minerals can be obtained. The answer of this question would be there. Next question is how drugs from bacteria can be obtained. Many antibiotics, for example streptomycin, are obtained from bacteria. If we discuss some of the important MCQs, the mineral iodine is used in making tincture of iodine. Tincture of iodine is a liquid that helps prevent infection when applied to cuts and bruises. The powder from silver nitrate is applied on wounds to stop bleeding and prevent infection. Streptomycin is taken from bacteria. Next is a long question, principal usage of important medicinal drugs. This is an important long question regarding board examination. Write a note on principal usage of important medicinal drugs. Also, many of the important short questions and MCQs are selected from this topic. Drugs are classified on the basis of their chemical properties and modes of action. There are four basic types. Number 1 is analgesics. Number 2 antibiotics. Number 3 sedatives. Number 4 vaccines. Define analgesics. Analgesics are also called painkillers that reduce pain, that is aspirin, paracetamol, etc. Define antibiotics. Antibiotics inhibit or kill bacteria and treat bacterial infections, for example tetracycline, cephalosporin, etc. What are sedatives? Sedatives induce sedation by reducing irritability or excitement, for example diazepam. Define vaccines. What do you know about vaccines? Vaccines are used to develop immunity against viral and bacterial infections, for example vaccines against smallpox, whooping cough, hepatitis B, etc. Moving towards important MCQs on this page, analgesics are also called painkillers. Tetracycline, cephalosporin are antibiotics, not sedatives. Diazepam is a sedative. Vaccines are used to develop immunity against viral and bacterial infections. Antiseptics reduce possibility of infections on skin. Antibiotics inhibit or kill bacteria within or on the body. Disinfectants destroy microorganisms found on non-living objects. This is an important difference between antibiotics and disinfectants. That is, antibiotics kill bacteria within or on the body, while disinfectants destroy microorganisms found on non-living objects. This is active in body and disinfectant is active in non-living objects. The short question on this page is write the contribution of Joseph Lister in the field of medicine. Joseph Lister was an English surgeon. He promoted the idea of sterile surgery for the first time. He introduced carbolic acid to sterilize surgical instruments and to clean wounds. This is the contribution of Joseph Lister. Another question on this page is write the contribution of Sir Alexander Fleming in the field of medicine. Sir Alexander Fleming was a Scottish biologist. He discovered the antibiotic penicillin from the fungus Penicillium notatum. For which he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1945. Well, these were the two important short questions on this page. If we discuss the MCQs, then Joseph Lister introduced carbolic acid to sterilize surgical instruments and to clean wounds. Antibiotic penicillin was discovered by Sir Alexander Fleming. Antibiotic penicillin was found from fungus, that is Penicillium notatum. Well students, this page contained an important and very interesting long question, that is describe the things to remember while using medicines. Things to remember. This is an important long question. An answer of this question might be 4 or 5 points. If we talk about the MCQs, then MCQ might be taken from the expired medicines may prove poisonous. Some medicines such as antibiotics must be taken for a specific number of days. Make sure you take the medicine for the stated time. Alright students, these were some of the important short question and MCQs in the given topics. We will discuss the next type of drugs, that is addictive drugs, in the next video inshallah. Okay, thank you students.